Materials you can trust. BPA-free and ice pack is non-toxic and freezer safe. Low maintenance. Plastic containers are microwave, freezer and top rack dishwasher safe. Contents stay intact. Perfect solution to no more squished sandwiches, flattened grapes or a broken juice box. Included ice pack keeps food fresh. Removable, reusable ice pack clips into the lid or to the bottom of the tray to keep foods chilled and fresh until lunchtime. Multiple compartments. Top tray is divided into two sections. Bigger section holds 0.8 cups and smaller section holds 0.75 cups. Bottom container holds 5.125 cups. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for schoolwork. We love these. I use them for my kids' lunches and they are great. I hate sending all the little packages of snacks, but these keep the good stuff cool. With the ice pack, I put fresh fruit, veggies, string cheese, yogurt sticks, and their sandwich. We've been using these for 3 school years and the kids love them. Just had to throw away our first set after a few years of daily use, they warped in the dishwasher. But last year's are still good to go. We literally use them every day and my 9-7-year-old love them too.